I'm Zeineb Turki, and I'm here today to talk about my project, which is called Autoscan AI. It's basically about detection of brain tumor using MRI scans. And for the past few weeks, what I've been doing already is training models with 3 to 4 data sets, training and testing, and each time seeing what I want to do. So what I did so far was started with ResNet 18 for class tumor classification, which is a type of CNN. ResNet 18 was lightweight, it was fun, it was very easy to do stuff with it and train with it. But the thing is, now I'm aiming for more depth and something that is stronger. So, which is why now I changed from ResNet 18 to ResNet 50, which is about 2.5 better than it, because it has 50 layers, the other one has 18. So yeah. It's for enhanced performance. So basically, I want something that has feature extraction better, and it allows the model to discern more complex patterns, sensitivity, depth, edges, more sharp. So overall accuracy and stability for the classification of the 4 classes that I have, which is glioma, meningioma, not tumor, and pituitary. I also redid the model calibration and uncertainty management, which basically means that I have accuracy. Before it was about 99%, which sounds too good to be true, which kind of is. With calibration, it kind of makes it humble. It makes it real. So it brings that percentage of accuracy and brings it to which one is more real. So using this with temperature, it uses entropy-based uncertainty is incorporated in this model. It's more effective for risk, and it makes safer predictions. So with this, it makes more of a flagging of I am not sure which picture is which. And for this, it dropped a bit to about 85%, which is very good, because with ResNet 18, it was humbled down to about 70%. So yeah, and I also have foundation for explainability through GradCam. GradCam has visualization to do with also heat map. So for example, I have an MRI scan and I put the grad map. It just gives me the parts that are concerned. It's obviously not the whole brain that has cancer, it's parts. And those parts are the ones that define which type of cancer, and with grad map it's explains more. And other than that, those are the things that I did. So other than this, I've been doing a lot of research and learning stuff to implement them in the future. And one of those things was YOLO, which is you only look once. It's basically an object detector that recognizes objects, obviously, and it puts them in a bounding box, and then it gives you class and confidence. You can say what have you been doing all of this time, if it's not that. It's actually this, but I also wanted to implement something else to make it stronger. So I'm gonna use YOLO for this, and it has a real-time bounding box, which is better, because I want in this side to be you upload the MRI scan, and after some seconds or few minutes, it will give you the predictions and everything. It will be implemented to convert 3D or 2D MRIs to slices, and then segmentation masks, and then specifying which classes. And yeah, this is what I've been doing. Also, I researched about medical LLM explanation. I want the site to not only have prediction, but also explanation, because it's doable to just have an MRI scan and be oh, this is glioma, no, this is meningioma, and 90% sure, or I don't know how many probability for each picture. But I want it to be why is this like that? So if it will be this is glioma, it will be because the lesion is here, so it has detection of lesion, and it will say it's in this place, and it has a volume of I don't know how many millimeters. So basically this will happen and this will not, and blah blah blah, and all of this thing. So I've been researching like which one is perfect for what I want to implement, and I found the Me Llama component, which aims to generate structured radiology style reports. So and explains like predictions made by this model, and it's adapted for medical terminology. So it has like all the technical words that we need to basically be sure 100% of the prediction that was made. And other than that, I will also like I want to do something else other than the explanation. Also, like maybe predefined functions. So, I mean predefined questions that will have like where it is the thing, what happened, what will happen, what's like the best solution that will be implemented, etc. Also, I want to do something that is like longitudinal MRI prediction, which basically is like by employing these MRI analysis. I've been thinking about like if one person, patient A, for example, has like one MRI or multiple that can be implemented in like their own profile. It will be like patient A, 3 MRIs so far. The first one was 3 months ago, and the other one 2 months ago, and like every one is like per time. And then it will be I wanted to do like some type of prediction for the future. So other than the MRI, I wanted to have like 2D or preferably 3D, which is the goal for now. 3D representation of a brain that would have what you already like posted on the MRI scan, but also after 3 months, after 6 months of like which treatment did you pick. If you pick the no treatment, it will predict that certain like brain how it will look like after 3 months or six or like whatever you want. And then like if you pick the standard treatment, this will happen. Like it will the lesion would like increase by 2 millimeters. It will become like this, and then like disappear after I don't know like 2 years or something of treatment. And like aggressive treatment, like this is the idea. So yeah, that's basically all I've been doing, and hopefully in like few weeks it will be implemented with everything like the explanation, the hopefully like progression style, because I feel like it's it's very important to like have an MRI scan and like that prediction, but it's more important to have it with a thorough explanation. Also, like maybe implementing like a place that you like a doctor or a patient can also ask questions in this, so it will be like AI that will respond to you and be like, this is that, like any question, like what do you suggest doing this? And obviously, all of these are not professional, so all of this is prediction. It's just to help doctors. It's not a doctor, so that's like very important to understand. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And I will also have a few interviews with doctors in the next month, hopefully, to ask them more from like a professional point of view about the application, the system, what I understood right, what I have wrong, to like make it more correct and thorough. And if like a doctor will accept it and be like, yeah, this is like nice and it's perfect for this. So yeah, that's like my main goal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you just like continue seeing my journey in this project. So yeah, thank you. Bye.